Hello, this is Laura. Welcome to day 23 of your 6-0 Day English Fluency Challenge. Today, we are going to focus on something very important, sounding natural in English, because many learners can speak English but they sound robotic. Their sentences are correct, that they do not feel natural, and today, we are going to fix that. Today, you will learn how to speak English in a smooth, relaxed, and natural way. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt that your English sounds too formal or too textbook-like? That happens because you're trying too hard to be perfect. But real speakers do not try to sound perfect. They try to sound natural. Let me tell you something important. Natural English is simple. It is relaxed, and it flows easily. So today we will train your voice, your tone, and your sentence style. Let's start with a simple idea. Use simple and natural phrases. Instead of saying, I am very happy, say, I feel really good. Instead of saying, I am very tired, say, I am a bit tired today. These small changes make your English sound real. Now let's go deeper. Use contractions. Instead of saying, I am, say, I'm. Instead of I do not, say, I don't. For example, I'm trying to improve my English, and I don't want to stop practicing. This sounds natural and smooth. Now let's move to your first exercise. It is called Make It Natural. I will give you a formal sentence, and you make it natural. Formal. I am very interested in learning English. Natural. I'm really interested in learning English. Formal. I do not understand this. Natural. I don't get this. This is how you improve your speaking style. Now, your second exercise is AD, emotion. Natural. Speakers do not speak in a flat tone. They add feeling. For example, I'm really excited about this, or I feel a little nervous, but I'm trying. This makes your English alive. Now let's go deeper. Use fillers naturally. Words like, well, or actually, for example, well, I think learning English is really important, or, sometimes it feels difficult, but I keep going. These fillers make your speech smooth. Now let's practice real conversation. Someone asks, what are you doing these days? You respond, well, I'm focusing on improving my English, and I'm trying to practice every day. Then continue. Sometimes it feels slow, but I feel like I'm improving. This sounds natural and human. Now let's move to your third exercise. It is called Speak Like You Feel. Choose a topic and speak naturally. Do not try to sound perfect. Just speak like you would talk to a friend. For example, honestly, I'm just trying to get better at English, and I think I'm making progress. Keep it simple. Keep it real. And now let me share something important. Natural speaking is not about big words. It is about comfort. When you feel relaxed, your English becomes natural. So do not stress about perfection. Focus on flow. Now let me talk to you honestly. You have reached day 23. That means you are no longer a beginner. You are building real communication skills. You can speak, express, respond, and now you're learning to sound natural. This is a big step. Now let's do one powerful exercise together. Speak for 1 minute about your day, but this time, use natural phrases and contractions. Start like this. So today, and continue. Keep your tone relaxed. Keep your voice natural. Now let me give you one powerful tip. Listen to how native speakers talk. Notice their tone, their pauses, and their expressions. Then try to copy their style in your own way. This will improve your fluency faster. Now let's do one final practice. I will give you a sentence and you make it natural. I am trying to improve my English every day. You say, I'm trying to get better at English every day. I do not feel confident yet. You say, I don't feel confident yet, but I'm working on it. This is how you sound natural. Now, before we finish, I want you to take action. Write in the comments, day 23 complete, and this time, write 2 natural sentences about your day using contractions. Keep it simple, but keep it real. This is Laura, and remember, fluency is not about sounding perfect. It is about sounding natural. I'll see you in day 24. Keep going.